Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner looking to fix their kitchen or bathroom faucet effortlessly. We're talking about the Moen 1201 handle faucet cartridge replacement, widely regarded as the best in its class. The Moen 1200 cartridge is designed to be the ultimate solution for repairing Moen single-handle faucets. Whether it's in your kitchen or bathroom. Crafted from durable brass, it's built to last and backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Now, you might be considering other cartridges. I replaced my faucet cartridge using the Moen 1200, and it was a breeze. No leaks, and the faucet feels brand new. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install faucet cartridge replacement that won't break the bank, the Moen 1201 handle faucet cartridge is your go-to option. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner tackling plumbing issues, this product delivers on quality, reliability, and ease of use. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights. Drop your comments below if you've tried the Moen 1200 or have any questions. Until next time, happy fixing!